Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. Today, in this short video, I will be showing you how to reset your Lenovo laptop that you have forgotten your password on and you're okay with doing a factory reset, meaning that everything will be erased. So let's go ahead and get straight to the point here. Once you're at the lock screen where it's asking you for your password, what you want to do is you want to press and hold the shift button and click restart at the same time. And keep holding shift until we reach this screen here. Now once you have reached this screen, you want to go ahead and click troubleshoot, reset this PC, either keep my files or remove everything. And then you're going to want to click local reinstall, and from there everything will wipe and you will have your computer like new once again.